A kaya ka eh. A plus.
Wait lang.
You are A positive.
A positive.
Yeah. A positive. And she is A positive. Both of you are
Me also A positive.
same. Okay. Everything is well.
Wait lang.
Kalmot na naman.
Ito na yung may ano siya dito.
May kakainin niya yung kamay mo.
May ano siya dito.
Talas ng ano niya, kuko.
Ano yung sa ano?
Kuya ka na.
Masa isa? Ito, lagyan mo. Oo, kinakalmot na naman yun. Yan ang sukya.
Tapos na?
Basta.
They give you vitamin D, right?
Vitamin D, meron mo hindi.
Hindi ko alam. You don't know. You don't know if...
Wala.
anong name nun?
Kumuha kayo sa pharmacy?
Oo, pero yung purang gamot ko lang.
Vitamins mo
Vitamin
yun? Ano pangalan ng vitamins mo?
Calcitriol.
Calcitriol.
For the mother.
Pero yung sa bata wala binigay.
You didn't get for her?
You must go to pharmacy. They didn't get the They didn't go to the pharmacy to take the Vigrop.
They go there, but they did not give us...
Just for the mother.
just for the one.
All right.
Dr. Whitness.